Good evening, traders. My name is Arcad of Babylon, and I'm one of the traders here running the Discord at Tradeflare LLC. And today I'm going to be giving you a little virtual tour of what our Discord is and what we are all about. We'll also give you an idea of what it's like to be in the free Discord versus the Tradeflare Pro paid version of the Discord. So right when we get into the free Discord, you're going to have 3 free categories that you can look through and have access. The first category you want to go over to is the Welcome to Tradeflare category. Here's going to give you a brief rundown of what Tradeflare is and what Tradeflare Pro is and how to upgrade. If you decide to upgrade to Tradeflare Pro, this is where you're going to do it in the Welcome to Tradeflare tab. The next free category is the free text channels category. This is where anybody can communicate for free, and you can also connect with a community of different members who are making plays, and they can share their plays in the members plays tab. If you have a good experience with Tradeflare, you can leave a good testimonial here in the free text channels tab, and we also have a place where members can get support publicly in the members support tab. If you need to contact us in private, feel free to contact us via direct message. The last free category that you have is the live news category. These channels are synced to bring you live news from different profiles all around Twitter. There's also a place where all Tradeflare members can source the news that they find so everybody can be on the same page. Now when you upgrade to Tradeflare Pro, you have a lot more going on for you. So I'm going to show you how to upgrade and also show you what it's like to be in the upgraded Tradeflare Pro Discord. So when you get into the Tradeflare Pro Discord, there's a lot going on. There's a lot to read. Where you're going to want to start is the Welcome to Tradeflare Pro, and you're going to want to go in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and read all of these channels. These are going to give you a nice rundown about what Tradeflare Pro is all about. Next, let's go over to some other categories. And the first one after the Welcome to Tradeflare Pro is the trade signals. And this is where Circuit Breaker or I will alert whenever we make a trade. Now these signals are not recommendations, but some of our members do follow along and profit off of these signals. We don't just talk about the trade, we also talk about why we're trading it, and we tell when we're going to exit and why we're going to exit. A lot of the stocks that we do trade are the stocks that we own on the long-term portfolio. We will also call out when we make an investment, as well as when we buy some crypto or any other sort of asset. Next category we'll look at is the Tradeflare Pro text channels, and this is where we're talking daily. We have a potential plays chat that is always jumping, and we also have a pro general chat. This is where anything goes. People have questions, anything. There's also pro members plays. This is where people can drop their plays, anything that they're making in a nice categorized fashion. There's also a question and answer place where it's built for just questions and answers, people who have certain questions and answers for the from the owners. We also have a chat for just crypto. This is popping every day with different crypto questions, different people bringing up certain types of crypto. We also have a quotes chat. This is where we have nice quotes and we do a little bit of analysis, and we break it down, what we think about the quote. Also, we have a owners notes chat. This is where we really do our announcements, anything that the owners have to say for the rest of the Tradeflare Pro members. The next category that we have available for our Tradeflare Pro members is the updates and analysis category. And this is really where we do all of our updates and analysis during the day. We have a weekly watch list before on Sunday before the week. We have a morning note every day that comes out and describes what's going on, what to expect. There's also a daily watch list and a sector watch list update that is sent in the morning. The sector watch list update goes through what's going on with the sectors, where's the breadth, where's everything going on. There's also the market internals update every day. This is where we kind of get an idea of where the market is headed, what's going on under the hood, and every night you'll see a nightly breakdown, and it'll be posted conveniently in this tab right here. And this nightly breakdown will break down what happened in the previous day's trading, as well as give you an idea of what's going on in the next day's trading. We also do a lot of live charting in the charting channel. These can help people see what we're seeing and possibly give the opportunity to make a play. Next channel of importance is the Tradeflare Knowledge channel, and this is the channel that is a work in progress at the moment. We are still working on building a full Discord course where you can just click through each channel, and each channel is a unit. It'll have a video, which is like the book, and Circuit Breaker and I will be your professors, and we'll actually have a little quiz for you to take on your knowledge that you have gained during the little course session. But like I said, this is a work in progress and is expected to be done in the next few months, but there's still some knowledge to be absorbed for now. In the Tradeflare Knowledge section, we have a lot of channels from risk management all the way to chart analysis, and we are building a lot of new channels, so this is something to look out for, and it might be a reason to get in early in case we raise prices with the course being involved. And the last categories that you would have access to as a Tradeflare Pro member would be the after hours and the Tradeflare Live. The after hours is a pretty inactive one, but it's where people can just express themselves with memes, conspiracy theories, dank food, dream houses, anything that is fun and is done after hours. The last one is the Tradeflare Live, and the Tradeflare Live is actually something that we're building. We're looking to do a live day trading type of deal where we are trading live from our private Discord. And this will be something that's Tradeflare Pro only, and this will be something that is probably going to be upgraded payment, but you'll be able to hear my thought process live as well as see my screen and see what I'm trading. But this is all future talk, and we will get into that later. For now, it's up to you to decide whether you want to upgrade to Tradeflare Pro, if all this is worth it to you. If it's not, then feel free to use our Tradeflare free Discord, and don't be afraid to watch our weekly watch lists and nightly breakdowns every night to get some value out of these videos. And that wraps up this video. If you got value out of this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss a weekly watch list or a nightly breakdown. If you haven't joined our Discord yet, the link will be in the description below. Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and follow me on Twitter at @RCatOfBabylon. And as you should know, we are not financial advisors, and none of the information in this video or any of our videos is to be used for financial purposes. You should know that the stock market is risky and you could lose money, so be careful with the information inside of this videos and be careful with the stock market. But don't forget that your time is your most valuable asset, so quit wasting it. Get up, get out, and go get it, my friend.